Have you ever dreamed of DJing to a packed dance floor, landing killer gigs and building a brand that people remember? Whether you're just starting out as a DJ or you've been DJing for years, then this course is for you. I'm Paul Hutchinson and I've been DJing for over 35 years now. Also spent 10 years as a producer as well. And I've built my own brand, Mi Casa Es Tu Casa, where I do regular parties here in Spain and in the UK. I've taken all of that knowledge from over the last 35 years and put it into this online course, which is now available on YouTube as a free course. From mixing, mastery to managing social media, it's all there. Everything you need to grow online as a DJ and to start getting more bookings as well. Plus, we talk about the mindset that's required as a DJ and having that professional edge that you need to build and grow relationships. The course is broken down into 6 modules. The first one is starting out as a DJ, and this is great for you if you're a beginner DJ. Then we go into becoming a more polished professional DJ. Part 3 is about social media. Then we go on to goal setting, then mental health awareness and your well-being as well. And we finish with a course wrap-up. So what are you waiting for? Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit that link below. Enjoy the course. Any questions, just drop me a message.